Charles F. Bolden, Jr., born 1946, still alive today, as of August 15th, 2021, African-American astronaut. Charles F. Bolden, Jr. was an astronaut on 4 shuttle missions. His devoted services to NASA and the military have made significant contributions to both organizations and their advances in science. Charles F. Bolden, Jr. was born on August 19, 1946, in Columbia, South Carolina, to Charles F. Bolden, Sr. and Ethel M. Bolden. He graduated with a Bachelor of Science degree in Electrical Science from the United States Naval Academy in 1968. Bolden received his Master's of Science degree in Systems Management from the University of Southern California in 1977. Following his graduation from the U.S. Naval Academy, Bolden worked as second lieutenant in the U.S. Marine Corps. In May 1970, after flight training in Florida, Mississippi, and Texas, he was commissioned as a naval aviator. He was then assigned to Nam Phong, Thailand, from June 1972 through June 1973. In the A-6A Intruder, Bolden flew more than 100 sorties into North and South Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia. In 1974, Bolden returned to the United States to spend 5 years as a Marine Corps selection and recruiting officer in Los Angeles, California, and El Toro, California. He graduated from the United States Naval Test Pilot School in Patuxent River, Maryland, in June 1979. Enlisted as a test pilot, Bolden flew test projects in the A-6E, EA-6B, and A-7C/E airplanes. In 1980, Bolden applied his Marine Corps and aviating experience towards earning a position with NASA's Space Shuttle flight crews. Bolden was selected as an astronaut in 1981. A veteran of 4 space flights, Bolden has also accumulated numerous technical positions, some of which include Astronaut Officer, Safety Officer, Technical Assistant to the Director of Flight Crew Operations, Special Assistant to the Director of the Johnson Space Center, Chief of the Safety Division at the Johnson Space Center, and Lead Astronaut for Vehicle Test and Checkout at the Kennedy Space Center. On his first mission in space, Bolden piloted the Space Shuttle Columbia. Columbia was launched January 12, 1986, from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. The shuttle orbited the Earth 6 days and 2 hours and completed its mission within 97 orbits of the Earth. The mission entailed deploying the S.A.T.C.O.M. KU, the S.A.T.C.O.M. KU, or SATCOM-2 satellite, and performing a variety of astrophysical experiments and materials processing. Some of these tasks included infrared imaging, handheld protein crystal growth, and the photography of Halley's Comet. Bolden and the Columbia crew successfully completed their mission, although due to camera battery trouble, Halley's Comet could not be photographed. After the shuttle's voyage, Bolden and the Columbia crew safely landed at Edwards Air Force Base, California, on January 18, 1982. Bolden's second mission required him to pilot the space shuttle Discovery, which was launched on April 24, 1990, from the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. The Hubble Space Telescope was deployed into the Earth's orbit during Bolden's 5-day mission. Because of the telescope's optimal location, far from the reaches of the Earth's blurring atmosphere, the Hubble Space Telescope has proven to be the most significant optical astronomical telescope in existence. After deploying the telescope, the Discovery astronauts made Earth observations with IMAX, in-cabin, and cargo bay cameras. An optimal distance for Earth photography, the Discovery crew set the highest shuttle altitude record at 329.5 miles, 628 kilometers, completing a variety of gravitational experiments and a total of 75 orbits of the Earth. The shuttle landed after its rewarding journey on April 29, 1990. The March 24, 1992 launch of the Space Shuttle Atlantis sent Bolden on his third mission into space. He commanded Atlantis' 7-man crew in its search for atmospheric and astrophysical data. 12 experiments under the heading Atlas-1, Atmospheric Laboratory for Applications in Science, were conducted. Equipped with instruments from all over the world, the experiments examined atmospheric chemistry, solar radiation, space plasma physics, and ultraviolet astronomy. Atlas-1 gathered atmospheric, chemical, and physical property measurements that have advanced the knowledge of our atmosphere and climate. Also aboard Atlantis was a device that for the first time created an artificial beam of electrons used to stimulate a man-made auroral discharge. On April 2nd, 1992, Atlantis landed at the Kennedy Space Center, Florida. Bolden led as mission commander on his final flight into space on February 3rd, 1994, in the Space Shuttle Discovery. Among the 6-member crew was the Russian cosmonaut Sergei K. Krikalev, designating the Discovery mission as the first joint U.S. and Russian space shuttle mission. During the flight, the crew deployed and retrieved a free-flying disk created to generate semiconductor films for advanced electronics. Experiments were also carried out by the Space Hab module involving materials processing, biotechnology and hardware, and technology development payloads. After a successful flight of 9 days, Discovery landed on February 11th, 1994. Bolden has logged on more than 6,000 hours flying time and 680 hours in space. His contributions to science are abundant. His dedication to service has awarded him with the following decorations: the Legion of Merit, the Distinguished Flying Cross, the Defense Meritorious Service Medal, the Air Medal, the Strike/Flight Medal 8th Award, the NASA Outstanding Leadership Medal, and 3 NASA Exceptional Service Medals. Bolden has also made significant contributions to his community. He often revisits his hometown, Columbia, to educate and inspire young people. As a mentor, he provides students with prerequisites for the space program, advice, and support. In April 1992, Bolden was assigned to the Assistant Deputy Administrator at NASA. Bolden left NASA in 1994 and returned to active duty as Deputy Commandant of Midshipmen in the U.S. Naval Academy. Bolden currently holds the rank of Major General and is located at the Naval Station Miramar in San Diego, California. Bolden is married to the former Alexis Jackie Walker of Columbia, South Carolina, and has 2 children, Anthony and Kelly. Citations and sources of this audio are in the description.